Alright, so here we got some badly damaged breds right here. And the midsole right here is like scuffed up and it's lost the texture. So I'm gonna show you how to get that back. So in the front is here as well too. So all you need is a piece of like a screen from like a window. You can get this from, you know, any window. Just cut yourself out a piece of screen. I'm gonna fold it over twice. I'm gonna get a heat gun. I'm gonna heat that area up for about 8 to 10 seconds till I see it swell, right? So all right, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and I see it swelling. I'm gonna get my gate, put it over it, and now I'm gonna make the imprint of the texture for the midsole for the Jordan 11s. Okay, just like so. You can see that. Where there was no imprint, now there's one. Need a little bit more on the bottom. Another 8 to 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Put it on. Press. You'll feel it get cool. Take it off, and there you have your print. If the area is like really damaged, you could sand it down a little bit to make it smooth, and then use your heat gun to blow it up, and then repeat the same process. Hey, my name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in re-glues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available. And I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned, and thank you again.